Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Cheryl here. So today's video I want to share with you some of my favors during this quarantine. Right now it's safer to stay at home and not go anywhere. We do need a lot of things to cheer us up just in life, so I want to share with you, all these things that actually make my life happier, during this critical time. The first thing that I want to talk about is actually coffee. Just genius, like pour over on the go, almost like a French press. So the design is super simple. When you open it, you tear the opening and you just put it on your mug, and then you pour hot water on it, and then you will have a delicious cup of joe. I think it's kind of like level up when you make yourself like a pour over at home, and you don't really have to have the setup. You can just use this thing and you can still make delicious coffee. So yeah, I highly recommend this thing. So whenever I'm feeling like bored or just like unmotivated, I feel like lighting a candle is a good thing. If you like woodsy smell, this would be your jam. It's just like a wintry kind of candle. One of the best smelling candles I've smelled. It has this pine scent. Usually anything that's like pine-ish scented, it's kind of like winterish. But this one is more like a winter transitioning to spring type of scent. It's like a warm pine. It has a hint of like coolness because of the mint in it, and I just love everything about it. So I highly recommend this brand. The scent is Woodland Escape. I don't know, it's like mysterious, romantic at the same time. Totally fell in love with this scent. Okay, next I want to talk about, this is like a liquid hand soap. I've been loving this hand soap, especially during quarantine, COVID-19 situations that you have to wash your hands like every single day for multiple times. It's by Cucina. I got the refilled. The reason that I love it is because it contains olive oil in the hand soap. It smells like olive oil, but like scent olive oil. I highly recommend this product because it's super moisturizing. I'm just so tired of washing my hands multiple times, making my hands super dry and hurting in a way. So I just love to recommend another brand, La Maison. So I have two different scents. The first one is rosemary mint, and the second one is fresh sea salt. I love both scents. It smells refreshing, and both of these contain olive and argan oils, which is good for the skin. So if you wash your hands multiple times, you need something that's moisturizing. These would do the job. So I highly recommend the two brands. So if you love snacking, I would recommend this plantain chips. I love egg and potato chips, tortilla chips, but plantain chips is next level. It just has the right crunch, just fulfill that craving of chips. And this is delicious, it's the right amount of thickness for the plantain chips, and it's not overly salty. So if you're into chips, highly recommend this. The last thing I want to talk about is this little gadget that can help you DIY your gel nails at home. Almost as perfect as getting your nails done at a nail salon. So I highly recommend this product. I think it's super fun, portable, and it's not bulky. You can just plug it into your computer, do your nails at home. For times like this, you really want to change things up a little bit. You want to change your nail colors, and you can use this. And those nail polish can last up to 2 weeks. It's almost the same as getting your nails done, at a professional nail salon. Check out these products in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and stay home and stay healthy. See you next time. Bye.